Welcome back to my channel. On the bus to King West bus ride. I'll be on this bus for a while, so I will have my Wi-Fi on the fucking fucking update. Update tablet. Updates, I do update. And now I'm just doing my updates, so here I am recording my fucking channel. So what should we call this channel? Supper in my pizza lunch dinner. I got this for free. I never had one from pizza. No day. My backpack for my tablet to keep it safe. I did not have a shower this 3 days, and tonight is a live stream, YouTube and Facebook live stream tonight. So I'm going to live stream on YouTube and live stream on Facebook tonight for 2 hours. If you guys wanting to join, it's a music live stream, YouTube and Facebook, all music for 2 hours tonight after my shower with friends. If you guys up to join, so I will see when I get in the King West, and make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you, love you, motherfucking in the next one.